got this fender here for a newer model Camaro that somebody replaced. A little small dent right there. Somebody replaced it. Let's see. Front, you know what I mean? It's one of the ones that's always up in the air. I think it wasn't worth fixing given the circumstances. He's gonna throw it away and said, you know, I'll fix it for, you know, content purposes, and then probably end up selling it. Somebody needs a fender, so. Got this thing all done, as you can see. Got my line there, uniform. That thing is moving. I thought that was a motherfucking rat, but it looks all new. It's like the guy coat. Wiped it on the whole thing and I do my line. Just wiped it on there and just stayed on this side. Uniform with the rest of the panel. It's sharp. So I'll probably cut it down just a tad. And time it up. Look good.